Lipat mo ng ibang channel tapos ibalik mo ulit. Yung mga gumagana ng ganun. Grabe yun. Pag-ibig. Hindi pa kakain niya. Parang tayo ni Mami. Ganun umutot si Mami.
Diba?
Welcome back to our Secret to the Masters dessert special. You know what? Not all desserts
Oh, what?
have to be sweet. I like them tarty too, especially
Wala, ayaw pa rin.
who made a name for himself in Hollywood of all places. Here's Chef Buddy Trinidad and his calamansi basil tart.
First thing we're gonna do today is a calamansi basil tart. Okay. One of my favorite juices growing up is obviously calamansi.